What is the approximate time taken by the GPS for one complete orbit? A. 11 minutes. B. 45 minutes. C. 5 hours. D. 12 hours. The correct answer is 12 hours. What is the number of GPS satellites used? A. 54. B. 12. C. 5. D. 24. The correct answer is 24. Which of the following is false with respect to GPS? A. Active system. B. All-weather system. C. Continuous system. D. Space-based system. The correct answer is active system. What type of modulation is used in L1 signal of the GPS? A. Amplitude modulation. B. Phase modulation. C. Frequency shift keying. D. Binary phase shift keying. The correct answer is binary phase shift keying. Which of the following is the latest block of GPS satellites? A. I. B. IA. C. 2. D. IIF. The correct answer is IIF. Which of the following position services provided by the GPS require crypto keys? A. Precise position service. B. Standard position service. C. Ultimate position service. D. Doppler position service. The correct answer is precise position service. What is the reason for sending two transmissions in the same band? A. Redundancy. B. Ionosphere refraction corrections. C. Multiplexing. D. Reducing traffic. The correct answer is ionosphere refraction corrections. The intentional degradation of GPS signal in specific areas is called A. Selective degradation. B. Selective availability. C. Distributed GPD. D. Signal jamming. The correct answer is selective availability. Only L2 signal carries the encrypted precise code. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. What type of antenna is used in GPS systems? A. Yagi antenna. B. Helical array antenna. C. Loop antenna. D. Parabolic antenna. The correct answer is helical array antenna.